Hey there, this is Greg from DoubleGDiecast. Today we're going to be unboxing the latest series release from the Hollywood series, Series 30 from Greenlight. So let's get cracking. Let's open this up. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, the first one. This is the Christine 1977 Plymouth Fury. Okay. Pretty cool. Let's see what else we got. We got the Rookie 2008 Ford Crown Vic. Okay. Next up, we got the X-Files 1983 Ford LTD Crown Victoria. Once Upon a Time 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Okay. Next up, from MASH, 1942 Willis MB Jeep. And the last one in the set, from Castle, 2006 Dodge Charger. Okay. Pretty cool. Okay, I did want to reiterate that the one that I showed before was of the 2008 Ford Crown Victoria. That was the green machine. This is actually the regular release. It didn't have a green base, but they don't always have a green base on the chases. So, but this is the regular Rookie. And let me show you. Show you the green machine right next to it. That way you can see the difference. Okay. So let's move it up. So they have the regular and the green machine. Okay, the next unboxing is going to be the Greenlight running on empty Series 12. So let's open this up. Okay, let's see what we got. First one, let's put this back, is the 1956 Ford F100 tow truck. Okay. And by the way, I already have the green machine version of this one. If anybody wants to see it. The green rims, green base. Okay, that's the green machine. Next up in the series, we got the 1955 Chevrolet sedan delivery. Next up, this is pretty cool. The 1995 Ford Escort RS Cosworth STP. Check it out. Pretty nice. Next up, we got the 1968 Chevrolet C10 Pennzoil. Next one, 1965 Dodge D100. Love these pickups. This is actually one of my favorite sets, releases that comes out from Greenlight. Next up, the Topo Fuel Altered Kendall motor oil. Pretty cool set. Okay, that's it for this set. I also wanted to show the Green Machine version of the Topo Fuel Altered that I also came across, and just to compare it to the original release. Okay, and the Green Machine version with the green rims. Here's another release. This is a hobby released Volkswagen Type 2 panel van Chinese Zodiac 2021. Let's crack this one open. Let's see if we got any chases in this one. Let's see what the regular model looks like. Okay, this is the Volkswagen panel van 2021. And here's a close-up of it. Okay. That's the regular version. Let's see if we have a greenie in this box, and it does not appear that we do because it's normally in a certain spot. But just to make sure, let me just check them all. No greenie on this box. Okay, let's check out the next hobby release. The next opening is going to be the Greenlight Hobby Exclusive 1979 Ford F-250 with drop-in tow hook. Drop-in tow, New York City Police Department. So let's crack it open. Okay. Let's see what's in this one. Actually, it's pretty cool. Pretty nice tow truck. 1979 Ford F-250. Check it out. By the way, I'm going to have a ton of these listed on my eBay store. You can just follow the link below. It would be greatly appreciated. Here we go. Here's the Green Machine Chase version with the green rims, green base. Pretty cool. Okay, the final unboxing is going to be another hobby exclusive. This is the 2019 Ford F-350 Dually, New York City Police Department, Class 3 Hazmat with snow plow. Let's open it up. Okay, let's see. Take it out. There she is, 2019 Ford F-350. Got the snow plow up front. Got the hitch in the back. Very nice. Let's see, do we have the chase in this one? And we do. Okay. Kind of hard to tell at first, but yeah, it's got the dark green rims and the green base. All right, so this is the chase version. Let's compare this to the regular version. Okay. So yeah, you gotta look closely, make sure you don't miss it on this one, folks. All right, so that's it for the unboxing for today. If you're interested in any of these pieces, check out my eBay store. The link is below. Greatly appreciate it. Greg from DoubleGDiecast. Thanks all.